Your Maytag dealer would like to thank you for considering the Maytag brand of HVAC for your home. We invite you to share the next few minutes learning about the industry's most innovative and efficient HVAC comfort system designed to increase total home comfort and lower your utility bills. Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, otherwise known as SEER. It is the unit in which all cooling systems are measured, much like a car's gas mileage. In the world of cooling, the higher the SEER, the better the efficiency and the lower your power bills. While most homes built in the last 10 years have 8 to 10 SEER air conditioners, an industry leader has raised the bar to 24.5 SEER, the highest efficiency level ever obtained in air conditioning, and up to 22 SEER, the highest level ever obtained in an air source heat pump. From the minds of Maytag Heating and Cooling comes one of the most exciting innovations of our time: ultra-high efficiency, lower energy bills, better dehumidification, onboard diagnostics, the lowest sound levels, and completely green. It's the ultimate comfort available for your home. The Maytag 24.5 SEER air conditioner and 22 SEER heat pump with IQ Drive technology. IQ Drive is the brains behind Maytag's air conditioner and heat pump. Both units use inverter rotary technology to achieve the highest efficiency levels available today. The 24.5 SEER IQ Drive air conditioner is an excellent choice for geographies where maximum cooling efficiency is needed, and areas where heating efficiency is also desired. Consider the 22 SEER IQ Drive heat pump. It operates in the summer the same as an air conditioner, but also provides heat in the winter. And with the heating season performance factor up to 10, it's incredibly efficient no matter what the weather. For the ultimate in comfort, quiet, and convenience, pair either the IQ Drive air conditioner or heat pump with the IQ Drive modulating gas furnace. Rated at 97% efficient and higher, the IQ Drive modulating furnace completes the industry's most efficient system, and it was designed to work seamlessly with your IQ Drive air conditioner or heat pump. Ask your Maytag dealer for more information on the IQ Drive modulating furnace. IQ Drive technology has received numerous industry design and innovation awards, including the prestigious Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Expo Product of the Year. Let's take a look at what makes IQ Drive technology so innovative. Today's traditional scroll compressors just turn on and off, operating at 60 Hertz when running. But IQ Drive inverter technology has almost infinite modulation for a perfectly even variance. It runs as low as 15 Hertz, so it uses less power. So while today's compressors kick on at full speed, that's 60 Hertz, to compensate for a small change in temperature, IQ Drive inverter technology alters the compressor speed just enough to match the slightest change in air temperature. So in addition to minimal power utilization, you get a more consistent temperature level at all times. The biggest difference is at night. While scroll compressors are still at maximum 3,600 RPM power, the IQ Drive rotary compressor can ramp down to 900 RPM for ultra-low power efficiency and an ultra-low noise level. When temperatures rise in the afternoons, IQ Drive can adjust up to match the load. Systems with IQ Drive technology use a special new display screen thermostat with the ultimate in new quick response features. The dehumidification mode quickly zaps moisture from the air and regulates the most consistent humidity levels in the home. System maintenance reminders and service settings to perform diagnostic functions for quicker, easier service calls. And the ability to program a perfect comfort schedule to control specific functions at precise times of the day. And while some manufacturers have managed to achieve as high as 21 SEER in much larger units, Maytag has managed to achieve up to 24.5 SEER in a much smaller footprint, about the same size as current 15 and 16 SEER models on the market. The reason is its state-of-the-art inverter-driven rotary compressor, the heart of the IQ Drive system. Worldwide, over 80% of compressors manufactured use rotary technology. And now, Maytag brings this widely accepted technology to North America. Since the mid-90s, rotary compressors with inverter technology have been providing proven, reliable performance in Asia and the Middle East, the hottest and harshest climates in the world. So it's sure to be reliable in North American climates. Its high-grade steel motor obtains unprecedented efficiency. Plus, a fixed upper bearing and lower discharge and muffler deliver the lowest sound levels in the industry. The difference is like night and day. Even with full insulation, sound blanket, sound-absorbing base, lubricated motor, and swept fan blade, today's scroll compressors make enough noise to be heard inside the home. In comparison, Maytag's IQ Drive rotary compressor can operate at 15 Hertz for a consistently lower sound level. That makes for a quieter home, especially at night. In Japan, many HVAC residential products use inverter-driven rotary compressors. Given the country's high-density housing, noise is a major social issue. In fact, it's unacceptable. Today's new rotary compressor technologies offer quieter operation to help resolve these noise concerns. And it's made to North American industry standards with environmentally sound R410A refrigerant. It's the Maytag 24.5 SEER air conditioner and 22 SEER heat pump with IQ Drive technology. Smart, quiet, reliable, earth-friendly, better consistent home comfort, and the lowest energy bills possible. It could quite possibly be the smartest outdoor unit ever made. From Maytag, the 24.5 SEER air conditioner and 22 SEER heat pump. The best of all worlds. Perfect temperature control. The ultimate in comfort. Highest energy efficiency. Supreme dehumidification. The lowest operating costs. The quietest design. Proven technology. IQ Drive from Maytag. High SEER is here.